Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to start day trading with 4 easy steps. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down in the comments. So let's jump into it, roll that intro. Hope you guys enjoy it. Now before we talk about how to start day trading, first let's talk about what is day trading. Well, day trading is pretty much when you buy a stock and sell a stock during that same trading day. Now a lot of people think that day trading is easy and it's almost more of a get rich quick. That is not the case. If you guys jumped on this video thinking that this is an easy way to start trading, you are absolutely wrong. And the reason why that is because 85% of day traders that start trading fail. So if you're thinking this is easy or simple, trust me, it's not. And the way I've always looked at it is if you want to invest the time to do it, you're literally looking at going to college, right? If you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, how long does it take you to do that? It takes years. Day trading is no different, and you have to treat it as a career and not a hobby. But starting off with the first step. The first step is you guys are gonna want a broker. Now personally, I think there's so many brokers out there that do a fantastic job, but the ones that I love are Moomoo and Thinkorswim. And the reason why that is because they have a whole bunch of amazing charting, scanners, and everything like that. But the biggest thing is starting out, they have something called paper trading. Paper trading is pretty much simulated trading. This is a way that you guys can start trading without actually having to worry about your own money. It's all simulated and it's a great way to start until you develop that strategy. Now that second step is to start paper trading, developing that strategy. This is very, very important, and during this time you're going to be experimenting what works well, what doesn't, right? Things you need to work on, good exits, entries, and all that good stuff. And something that works well for me may not work well for you. So you have to understand that when you're clicking through YouTube videos or you're downloading courses or buying things, something that may work well for others doesn't work well for other people. And if it did, then everybody could just copy each other and we would all be successful. Now during this time, you're gonna be doing your paper trading, developing that strategy. Do not use any money. Do this for a minimum of 6 to 12 months. Now the third step is you guys are gonna wanna learn how to find stock. Now finding stock is literally one of the most important things to do because you could have the best trading style, the best strategy, the best broker, but if you are picking and choosing the wrong stocks, you're gonna lose money every single time. So personally, I definitely think there's a couple of options that you guys can do. The first one would be to pay for an external screener, right? This would be using something like Trade Ideas or Finvest, something along those lines that offers a real-time scanner that works very, very well. Another option is with your broker, with Moomoo and Thinkorswim. They do have internal screeners that you can put in some criteria and you can start finding stock those ways. But personally, you have to realize is those paid services are going to perform a lot better than your broker services, just because that's what they're designed to do, is to filter stocks that meet your criteria. With your broker, it can be a little glitchy, and on top of it, it just doesn't perform as well. Now, if you guys are getting anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe because it really, really helps me out when you guys do that. And now the fourth and final step that you guys need to do is education, right? This is gonna be reading books, downloading those courses, and just literally start, right? The biggest thing is consistency with day trading. And a lot of people love to quit within 2 years. Actually, about 90% of people that start day trading actually quit within 2 years because of how hard it is. And I've always said this, the more you learn, the more you will earn with day trading, right? It's just like a job, it's a career. Now, if you treat it as a hobby and not a career, and you're only day trading or practicing once a week, there's gonna be somebody out there that's doing it every minute of every single day. So you have to understand that you're competing, right? It's a competition and it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So you have to put in those hours. You can't buy something or invest in something that will make you a better day trader. It's just doing it. And I always love the analogy of going to the gym, right? If you go to the gym one time, you're not gonna get in shape. If you go 2 times, you're not gonna get in shape. If you go on a consistent basis, you will start getting in shape. And I think day trading is the same thing. If you day trade or learn how one time, you're not going to be a day trader. If you do it 2 times, you're not going to be a day trader. But if you're doing it every day or as much as you possibly can, I guarantee you will be a successful day trader. But you have to put in those hours, guys. So that is it. That is how you guys can be a day trader with 4 easy steps, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, but we will see you guys later. And if we get over 50 likes, we will do a challenge of day trading, right? Right now we're doing a swing trading one, but we'll do a day trading one where we day trade every single day for a week and see how much money we can make. So guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down in the comments, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.